for you.
Hi, Grandma.
Yeah.
Oh, what do you say?
What's in there?
Chocolate.
This is a skit idea that I have because it's funny. So, you know, you get some hardcore guy walking up to a store like this, like, you know, strutting his stuff, like, you know, he got his thing going. He's got his swag, whatever. Sir, you need to put on that mask. I'm gonna put on this mask, not because you told me to, but because I'm scared of this virus. That's right. Maybe that's just my sense of humor. I remember being so rebellious when I was a kid, and you don't see that nowadays. Women stop making babies with a bunch of wussies, have a standard. Now we have a whole culture full of prima donnas. All these boys, all these wussies with a P care about is their Nike outlet clothing that they got on a Black Friday. Ugh, that's my rant. That is my rant. Yeah, so anyways, men are such wussies nowadays with their manicures and pedicures and all their creature comforts. Yo, future father here don't have none of that stuff. Oh, thanks for my Starbucks, babe. Appreciate that. You know, my hot coffee from Starbucks. Gotta have a Starbucks though, right? For real though, we had like a bunch of change. I found a bunch of change. It was like $100 and something. Coinstar, they charge you 12%, and the only way to avoid paying a fee was to get a gift card. I like to grind my own beans and stuff like that. You know, what real men do. You know, we do French press. All right, what's going on over here?
Oh, we're gonna make hot chocolate. Dad, I think we're gonna eat hot chocolate.
How are we making hot chocolate?
With that?
Whoa, what is this big old thing you say?
It's a Hershey cat.
That's a hurt. John, are you eating it?
No.
Take a bite. Go ahead, take one. It's actually real.
It's yummy.
Oh,
Eat this,
See what
Mama.
happens.
Mom, can we?
I don't think that's how you do it. Welcome to Arizona.
We're in Arizona.
One more time. Welcome to Arizona.
Hi,
All right, we are headed to Hoover Dam. Going to Hoover Dam. Oh, that's
Fridge.
what.
Look at this fridge.
I'm scared just looking at this thing.
Right here, look.
Oh, on top of us?
It's huge, yes.
Whoa.
Is that what we were driving on top of?
That was that scenic thing that you...
This is kind of cool.
Oh, there's the dam. I see it.
Where?
You all are seeing this as I'm seeing this. If you've never
Right
been.
here, Elena, to the right. See this wall thing? It's like a barrier. That's the dam.
This is so kind of fun.
I want to be in my house like this.
You want to build your house on the dam?
Dude, imagine being in that tower right there. Nope.
Yeah,
No,
right.
thank you. Look at this guy. He's hanging over a ledge. Nope. Nope. Not gonna happen. Oh, wait. Hold on.
Yay!
What's a visitor center? Oh,
It's where the visitors go. It's a center for the visitors.
Sign to the zodiac. It indicates Big Daddy Hoover Dam. As you enter the focus,
So, top of the bridge, down to the water, and then the ledge. Whoa. This is a scarier view right here. Seeing all the way down. Boom. What time zone are we in, Avi?
Oh, I don't
We're in both at the same time.
know.
We exist in 2 different time zones. So we are currently in Nevada time, which is depicted at this tower over here. And then this is Arizona time, where we are walking to.
Oh, we just time traveled.
Without going 88 miles an hour.
Which were sculpted by Oscar J.W. Mills.
Good luck.
So cute.
All right, so here we are in Arizona. I believe Sedona area. We got our kitchen.
Hi.
We have our Azariah here. Our nice little living space. Got some critters here on the floor. Room 1, room 2, bathroom.
Mama.
And they're already on the TV. Got food cooking.
Mama.
Hold on, I thought you were going outside.
Outside lasted about 2 minutes or so.
Avi's still out there.
Great. So, here it is in its glory. Family videos. How cool.